I did nothing but to love you. Why are you treating me like this?
And then why does everything feel like a lie to me?
Really? Lami, you are not calling me a liar? Why do you enjoy hurting me, Lami? Why are you doing this to me? Why? Lami, I have done nothing but to love you. All what I want is peace to reign in this house. Why are you not seeing my effort? Why do you enjoy hurting me, Lami? Be mindful of your words and watch your actions.
Love can blind the eyes we see with. Love can heal the deepest pain.